Let's get started and explore Gmail step by step. Welcome to my channel. Let's start the video. Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to dive into an important service that has become a staple in everyone's email experience. In this video, we will walk you through all the essential. Firstly, let's begin with what is Gmail? Gmail is a free email service provided by Google. It offers a user-friendly interface, ample storage capacity, and powerful features that make managing your emails a breeze. Moving on, what are the features of Gmail? Well, Gmail is packed with numerous features, including a powerful search function, customizable email filters, and the ability to organize your emails with labels and folders. It also provides seamless integration with other Google services such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, and Google Docs. Now let's move on to how to create a Gmail account. Setting up a Gmail account is simple and straightforward. All you need is an internet connection and a few easy steps to follow. We will guide you through the process and ensure that you have your very own Gmail account in no time. Once you have your Gmail account set up, we will show you how to use Gmail effectively. From composing and sending emails to managing your inbox, we will provide you with tips and tricks to optimize your email experience. You'll learn how to organize your emails, use keyboard shortcuts, and even set up automatic replies. Lastly, we will introduce you to some advanced features that will help you manage your emails more efficiently. From snoozing emails to schedule them for later, to using filters to automatically sort incoming messages, you'll have all the tools you need to keep your inbox organized and stay on top of your emails. So, without further ado,